PrintAhead 2.0 – Create a 3D printed color bust. PrintAhead is a standalone application that you launch by double-clicking on the RH Headshop EXE application in the PrintAhead folder. Next, you will see a Teach panel pop up. Each step is connected to a Teach panel that you can stop appearing by clicking on the Do Not Show box at the bottom right. Next comes the Setup panel, where you will browse for a well-lit, high-resolution portrait. Notice that PrintAhead auto-finds 35 significant points on the photo and also auto-selects the gender. Click Apply. The work panel appears with the photo on the left side and the 3D head on the right. The navigation cross lets you view the 3D head and the four tools above Zoom, Rotate, Pan, and Center. If you find the 3D head rough, you can smooth it by moving to the Print panel and using the smoothing slider. Next, open the Style tab and open the Style library. Choose a hairstyle and drag it over to the right of the 3D head. Next, move the hair in the right position using the navigation cross to see the different views. Similarly, the Accessories tab lets you find and drag over a shirt or pedestal. Make sure you position and resize the item correctly. Next, use the Color tab. With the item highlighted yellow, choose a pattern or color for the shirt. Next, highlight the hair and choose a hair texture. You can change the color using the Pick a Solid Color button. Finally, open the Print tab and look at the preview of your statue as it would look on the mantelpiece. When ready, click the Color 3D Print button. Save your files in a folder for later. PrintAhead will open the Shapeways site for you to order a color sandstone 3D print. Here you can upload your zip file that PrintAhead creates. Be patient, upload may take several minutes. Once finished, you need to resize the statue in inches. We recommend 3 inches tall, the Y value. Select sandstone material and color sandstone finish. You can see how much the print will cost. Go to checkout and order your statue.